Wagwan guys, we are back and it's my hubby's birthday. Woohoo! So guys, it's my hubby's birthday and I am gonna be decorating this place for his birthday because we're doing a little house party. So yes, let's begin by making the balloon arch. So these are the balloons that I will be using, mostly blue. Guys, I have to say having a balloon pump is very helpful. It saves you a lot of time just blowing up so many balloons. So guys, I'm just gonna be tying like two balloons together like this. When you have your twos like that, you can like twist them together and make a bunch of four. Okay guys, so here I just have bunches of four in like confetti, white, blue, and gold because that's the theme. Okay, so now I'm going to start to build the arch. You want to have your balloon flat on the ground. Also leave out enough string at the beginning so that you will have string to attach it to the wall or wherever you're going to be putting up your balloon arch, okay? And then you're going to be just putting bunches of four as you go and it will all come together. birthday. Yes.
Or cut, you know.
Uh-huh.
I've got to see it. And I wish I see many, many more.
Yes. All right.
Oh my God.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have a party coming up soon or whenever, and if you did like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.